Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So timelines are one of the most useful ways to understand events, projects, research topics, historical developments, and complex processes. NotebookLM can help organize information from your sources into a clear chronological sequence, making it easier to see how events connect over time. So instead of manually sorting dates and milestones, you can use AI to identify key events and structure them into a timeline. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to create a timeline in NotebookLM in 2026, simple and effective. So first thing, create or open a notebook. So open NotebookLM and select a notebook. Timelines work particularly well for history projects, research papers, business projects, products development, case studies, study materials. So focus each notebook on a single topic whenever possible. Okay, so upload your sources, like add the documents you want NotebookLM to analyze, for example, PDFs, articles, reports, research papers, meeting notes, project documentation. So NotebookLM will use these sources to identify chronological information. So more complete sources produce more complete timelines. Okay, so first thing, ask NotebookLM to create a timeline, like use the chat panel to request a timeline. For example, you can type create a timeline from these sources, list events in chronological order, build a project timeline, create a historical timeline. Okay, so Notebook will identify major events and organize them sequentially. Okay, so clear prompts usually creates better timelines. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.